For someone who doesn't drink coffee, got 2 packages from Tailorie. I'm just gonna give them to my mom probably. This one is called Alero coffee. Smells really good. I really love the smell. Light, medium, and dark, okay? If you don't have the Tailorie app, you are missing out on tons of new and also free products. I just got these samples for free. I used to work at Dunkin' Donuts and I would be so happy every time I would open a new bag of coffee beans and I would just smell it forever. More coffee. Unleashed coffee. This is light. These are the actual beans. Yeah. Squeeze gently, enjoy the aroma. If anybody knows of a air freshener that smells like coffee, please let me know because I don't know what it is. I am obsessed. Head to unleashcoffee.com to check them out. So, what did we learn here? If you don't have the Tailorie app, which looks like this, go get it and thank me later.